friends, it's Amanda with Planning the Shenanigans and Schultz Shenanigans here. I've realized that it's like the beginning of March, and I haven't shared with you the setup that I have been using for my planner. I did not find anything that I loved at the beginning of the year, and so I did the thing I hate the most, and that was print in my own planner. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick flip through, see how that's working for me, and if I'm going to change anything, as we're going to plan the first week of March soon too. So my cover changes because I like seasonal covers, but this is the newest cover from Jane's Agenda. It was in her subscription box along with this beautiful dashboard. Like, oh, just how rich the colors are. I love it. It's just gorgeous. I'm trying to get this centered up and it's not working. There we go. I love the gorgeous colors. That just screams spring. I don't know if you're praying for spring like I am, but it just screams spring. So, and then this was in her January box, subscription box, I think. And I haven't even filled it in yet. Things have just been crazy, but I love it. It's in here. I'm going to use it. This was in December's subscription box, I believe. Just a little lightly laminated dashboard, and I have just some weekly inserts for a brain dump, just some extra sheets that I had. So I use the Jane's Agenda monthly tabs that are numbered, not dated, and reusable. And then she always has these really cute Vellum Dashboards. Let's see which one is. Oh, I didn't put one in. Oh, there it is. It's behind this time. So normally I put those in front, but I put it behind. So there's the one I used for February, pardon me. And just, again, her colors and her color choices are always so gorgeous, and I love them. And I love that layered vellum on top of image look. Just some of my favorites. So I'm gonna flip over to March, and this was in the Jane's Agenda subscription box that I just got. And how perfect positive affirmations and springtime and not Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day. I love it. So I have multiple pieces of multiple planners in each month. So I have my monthly page, my monthly at a glance 2-page, and then my weeks are lined vertical. I need the lines. I don't have a lot of time to mess with. Going in and trying to draw straight lines and then erase them, and I just don't have those kinds of time. I used to use the stencil tool. It drives me nuts. I can't stand it. So each week is aligned vertical, and that's from Pleasantly Planned. I did a printable version so that I could do what's about to come up next. So we use the monthly lined, or the weekly lined vertical, and then we go into the budget. I don't like my planner partialed out with a huge section for my weekly planning, and then a huge section for my cleaning and my menu planning, and then my budget, and it's all in different places. I want everything for March to be in March. So I have my bill pay. This was a free printable at the time when I found it in a planner group. It's not in that planner group anymore. She is somewhere on Etsy, and I've messaged her to link this sheet because I absolutely love it, and I want to share it because it's probably one of the best things I've printed out and use on a regular basis. So March budget, I'll go in and all of these things will get put here, like you can see. Let's see if I can find it here. Anyway, I'll go in and I'll transfer all of my bill pays to this page every month, and I'll highlight what bank account they come out of, because we have 2 bank accounts that we work out of, And so I'll highlight which account these will come out of. Super simple, but then that helps me keep track of what's coming out on what paydays. And then that gives me a lined sheet of paper. And then I take this page from the Budget Mom. It's probably the best $2 I've ever spent. And it helps me budget for our entire month. Each paycheck. So whatever income it is, what bills are coming out, how much I'm allocating to spend on groceries or gas or travel or whatever, all of that goes in here. What I'm putting into sinking funds, am I paying into my Amazon Prime? Am I paying into, my daughter just qualified for nationals for Disney, so am I paying into that? What am I throwing at debt? What am I saving? And then my totals for each check. This is, if you're a Dave Ramsey fan, but the thought of trying to budget your money for the whole month and then figure it out is scary, this is by far the best worksheet you can purchase. It's printable, it's a download, it's $2. It's black and white, it's not color. She has some color ones. She has a planner that you can use for your finances. I don't find that I need the whole planner, but being able to budget all of my paychecks is essential. So I have one of those for each paycheck of the month. Then I also have in my planner for each week the Passionate Penny Pincher Planner. I bought the download version. I love it. I love the habit trackers up here. Every day there is a prompt. So on Sunday, so while my weekly planner is a Monday to Sunday, this is a Sunday to Saturday. That's my only complaint. I'm a Monday to Sunday planner, but I make it work. So my dates are here, Sunday, February 28th, and it's got what your menu is, your gratitude, and how much money you spent that day. And you can use that however you want. If you used it on miscellaneous spending, what's your miscellaneous spending? That's entirely up to you. She has instructions on how she prepped that for you to use, but you don't have to. You don't have to use it that way if you don't want to. And then she's got prompts for morning and evening every day. And then a special task every week. So organize your linen closet, organize your bath towels. And then daily tasks. Tuesdays are clean out the fridge day. Mop, take out your trash, clean the microwave and the stove pot. And then she's got a Bible prompt, which has been hugely helpful for me with my scripture writing. I followed this plan and it works out perfect. Every Saturday you clean out your car. Every Sunday you clean out your purse. And once you implement this, your house actually stays clean. I love it. It's probably one of the best $15 purchases I've made for the digital download because I'm printing my own planner. She also came out with a Good Notes version, a digital planner version of this. It's amazing. These are real life tools. Every day, fold laundry. Every day, tidy your main living space twice a day, morning and evening. Prep your meals for the day. Wash and put away dishes. Clean the kitchen counters. Every day, if you get in the habit of doing these things and checking your boxes, your house becomes cleaner and it becomes more maintainable. And it's so much better than trying to spend all day on Saturday cleaning your house. I promise, I can tell you, that's what my life has been like. So I have that printed out for every day. And then she has a sheet. I actually print April's notes in the back of the March planner because I have things that I want to make notes for the following month, and so I can make these notes and have them ready for putting in my planner for April. Every month she has donate or throw away 25 items. I don't think any one of us could say we don't need to purge. Complete April's budget, decide on your one financial goal, plan a fun activity for your family. This is my setup for the first 6 months. And I only did 6 months because I wanted to make sure it was something I wanted to stick with. At the end of my 6 months, I found a printable that basically is asking you how you feel about your goals. Like what, let me get this back in the center here. How do you feel about how you're achieving your goals? And I printed that out at 6 months because that gives me a goal, and I can assess whether or not this setup is helping me hit my goals. I also have a place for my social media. I haven't used it really, but it's here. I have some inspirational quotes here and some goals for myself. And then I also have my Jane's Agenda self-care log, which I haven't started using yet. I think that came in February's box, and I haven't done that yet. February was crazy for everyone, y'all. So anyway, this is my catch-all. This is what lives. I haven't even completed my March budget notes yet. This is what lives on my desk, in my purse, what goes with me everywhere I'm going, what helps me stay on track. And this setup is working for me. I'm on month 3 and I'm in love with it. I can't even tell you how much I'm in love with having all of my stuff together. I hated having a budget planner and a personal planner and a self-care planner and all of the things. I hate it because I feel like it defeats the purpose. So now I have my catch-all planner. I do have a self-care planner, which is my mind, body, and spirit, that does something totally different. It's a place for me to journal those things that I need to be journaling about in those journeys, but it's not planning those things. I have a one-word recovery plan. I use the recovery planner for tracking my one word, and that's just a place for me to journal and keep those thoughts together. Like, my actual planner is here, and it is organized together and structured together, and that's where it's going to live. And unless Happy Planner comes up with a setup like this, I don't see me straying from this setup. It's too much in line with what I need. I'll tell you, the thing I hate most is printing a planner. I hate printing and cutting a planner. It stresses me out because I'm afraid I'm going to mess it up and have to reprint it. But at the end of the day, this setup it's killing it for me. I am able to actually achieve things, keep track of things, and this is exactly what I need. I need all of my stuff together. I need all the budget, all the menu planning, all the things right here. I don't need a household planner and a daily planner, or a household planner and a weekly planner, and I don't need all of that. I need it all to be together so that if I need to work on it, I can carry one book and it's all right here, and it's everything for the month of March is together. So this is my setup, and this is what is working, and I'm very thankful that this is what is working for me. And so that's how I'm going to plan from now on. I think this is going to be what gets me through. So I hope this helps some of you. I'll try to link all of the products in the video description so you guys can see what's there and see if there's anything that is beneficial to you. So that's it from me, Amanda, here at Schultz Shenanigans and Planning the Shenanigans, and I hope to see you guys soon. Please like this video and subscribe for future videos and plan with me's and all the things that we're doing here as our family. Have a great day.